My wife Chris and I have been working so hard to find a remodel that we can fix up and do the smart wood shop all throughout using the tools in the trailer and take you along every step of the way. But have you noticed the market is a bit frothy right now? Houses that should be selling for $250, beat up old dilapidated things that nobody could live in are going for like $675. It's absolutely nuts. But we've got another idea since that's not working out, and that is to maybe find a building lot. Now they're too expensive as well, but if we could find the right lot and build a shop, one to put this smart wood shop inside of and a little apartment for us to live in above, and videotape the whole thing from design to finish. Hey, if you think that's a good idea, if you'd like me to do that and make those videos, then I need your comments down below. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.